Hi students, in this class you will learn about peripherals of computer. What is peripheral? Peripheral means device. It is an additional device used to put information into and get information out of the computer. This is classified into three types: input device, output device and storage device. Then what is input device? An input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data. Input device sends data or instructions to the computer. Some examples of input devices: mouse, keyboard, graphics tablet, barcode reader, game controller, light pen, and light gun, microphone, digital camera, webcam. Okay, let's look at some common input devices. Keyboard is most commonly used input device. It has keys similar to that of a typewriter. Keyboards are classified into three types: special key, alphanumeric key, and punctuation key. Computer keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and other symbols. Function key, arrow key, control key, and number lock key. These are the special keys. Okay, then alphanumeric key means the keys for letters and numbers are alphanumeric key. Then next one is keys for comma and semicolon, etc. that are punctuation key. Next input device is mouse. Mouse is also very commonly used input device. It is used to point things on the monitor. Again, next one, joystick. This is the white color joystick is the old version, and the new version of the joystick is this red and black color one. Here, joystick is also a pointing device. A joystick is used to move object on the screen. Joystick mainly used for playing computer games. While playing computer games, the user need to move certain objects quickly across the screen, for which a joystick is better than the mouse. These are input devices. Then output devices. What is output device? Output devices are used to see the output given by a computer. Output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which convert information into human readable form. It can be text, graphics, video, and some of the output devices are monitor, printer, plotter, speakers, etc. Okay. Let's see some output devices. VDU. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. It's display images generated by a computer. VDU is also called as monitor. Whatever work you do on a computer, it displayed on a monitor. VDU is also called as monitor. This printer. The printer is an output device. It is used to get the work that is stored in a computer printed on a paper. It prints paper documents. This includes text documents, images, or combination of both. Three commonly used printers are inkjet printer, or dot matrix printer, and laser printer. Okay, nowadays we are mostly using laser printer. The document printed on a paper is called as a hard copy, whatever you see on the monitor, it is said to be a soft copy. Understand? Then the first type of printer is dot matrix printer. This dot matrix printer creates each character from an array of dots that are usually formed by transforming ink by mechanical impact. Okay, there is some ink that creates some dot. This machine is called a dot matrix printer. Next one is inkjet printer. It is a computer peripherals that produces hard copy by spraying ink on the paper. Okay, in your screen you're seeing inkjet printer. Next one is laser printer. Nowadays we are mostly using laser printer. The documents printed on a paper is called as a hard copy. Whatever you see on the monitor, it is said to be a soft copy. This printer uses light to transfer text and images onto a paper. The result is a clean copy of the image written on the paper. Okay, so these are the output devices of computer.